Welcome back, folks, here to Hankster's Hot Rods here in our Homer City location today. And we are here to go over our newest addition to our inventory, and that's going to be this very nice 69 Camaro that you see sitting behind me. This car here, obviously, you can see done in the rally green exterior. It does have the black hockey stick striping on it to kind of offset that color. Very nice color combination on this car. And the way that everything else is done on this vehicle looks very nice and tasteful also. So you'll see that it has the 396 badging on it, the Super Sport badging and so forth, also front grille and the rear tail panel. But what it has for running gear, we'll go over that real quick with you. According to the casting number, we have a 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet motor here. Transmission is a Richmond 5-speed transmission, and then of course it's got a GM 12-bolt rear end to handle that. It is a POSI unit with a 410 gear in there as well, so that's going to make this car a very fun car to drive, and as you can see, very nice looking car to drive as well. As far as like your brakes, your steering, and so forth, it is power brakes. It's a disc brake up front, drums out on the rear of the car, and then as far as the steering, power steering, and wheels and tire combination, very nice look for this car. It's got 15-inch American Racing Torq thrust wheels on this car, all four corners, and then of course the tires, you can see the Cobra Radial GTs. Sizes on those is going to be 215, 65, 15s for the front, and then on the back we've got 235, 60, 15s back there as well. Now, if we come back towards the front here and start kind of with our walk around, you're going to see all of the bright work on this car is in very nice shape here. You've got not only the wheel lip moldings here on all four corners, of course, but you also have the bright rocker trim down here as well. That's very straight, and again, no dents or dings anywhere on that rocker trim. As far as door gaps and elevations on this 69 Camaro, very nice gaps, very nice elevations. All of your body lines all match up, striping and everything all match up too on this car. The chrome on the door handles looks very good, no pitting there. The mirror over here on the driver's side, again, very nice condition here. The chrome's in excellent condition, the glass in the mirror as well. Of course, you've got the bright drip rail moldings here in great shape. Glass on the sides here, no chips or cracks on those. And again, like I said, all your trim, even down the quarter window here, all look good. Let's go ahead and open up our driver's side door. Take a look inside this Camaro. Again, all black interior, front bucket seats, of course, with the headrest for the 69. You'll see that the back seat, all the upholstery, all matching, all kind of like OEM upholstery there. And again, carpeting black, the headliner black. It does have seat belts up front. Wood grain steering wheel, again, very nice look for this car. The dash itself, the pad, no cracks anywhere in the dash pad. Your gauges for the dash, again, those are going to be factory OEM style. You've got your speedo. You've also got the fuel gauge right in the center with the tachometer off to the right-hand side. If you pan down to just below, say, where the radio would be, you've got aftermarket gauges there. You've got an aftermarket water temperature and oil pressure gauge. Factory heater controls in there as well. You'll see the 5-speed shifter there with the white shift ball on there. Again, the boot and everything all in good shape on that particular car. Door panels, weather stripping, seals all around the doors, all are in great shape on this vehicle. Again, real nice looking vehicle here. Let's close this up. Again, closes nice and easy, and then we'll continue our way back around the vehicle here. We've already gone over wheels and tires. Again, you got the bright wheel lip moldings here. Rear window, it's in great shape too. Again, no chips or cracks there. All of your bright work, your moldings around the window, all in excellent condition. No pieces missing, all attached good and firm. looks really nice here. The trunk lid itself, gaps and elevations are good there. You've got the rear trunk spoiler here that looks real good too. And of course, our tail panel for that big block car. You've got the blacked out tail panel here, got the SS badging back here, as well as you got your tail light here, the bezels, the lenses all in great shape. And a real nice chrome bumper back here too. Again, the chrome looks good. Got the little tiny bumperettes or extensions there for the bumper. Again, that looks real nice as well. Let's go ahead and open our trunk lid up. Take a look inside. So inside, you'll see the underside here of our trunk lid done the same color as the rest of the trunk, or the rest of the car. All your weather stripping and seals all the way around are in nice shape. No rips or tears anywhere there, not dry rotted or anything. Nice soft rubber, so that's going to seal up nice from the outside elements. Inside the trunk, you got this nice trunk mat here. Again, all intact, not ripped or anything. Underneath, your trunk pan itself is in excellent shape. Just trying to show a little bit of that there too. Again, got the gray and white trunk spatter paint. All good and solid. All your drain plugs and so forth have all been installed in that trunk floor as well. So again, no issues there as far as any leaks or anything like that go. All your rain gutters and so forth are all in good shape. We'll close this up and then we'll continue our way to the passenger side. Down the sides of the car, if you look down those from front to back, again, you're going to see nothing but straight metal on this car. Again, all of your wheel lip moldings, the bright work, the trim and everything, all nice and super straight. Over here on this side, on the passenger side, again, gaps and elevations good on this car. Body lines all matching up. And again, all of your chrome in great shape too here with the door handles with no pitting. All the nice straight rain gutters and so forth. And again, your glass is in excellent shape. We'll open up the door. That way you get a chance to see the interior from both sides, passenger and driver side. And again, you'll just notice, all the interior in very, very nice shape. No cracks in the dash pad itself. The interior, I don't see any rips or tears on this side. All looks good over here. The carpeting, no rips, tears, or fades over here. And again, the headliner's in good shape as well. Seals and weather strips, same thing over on this side of the car. Very nice condition. Going to seal up from the outside elements very well. As we come around towards the front, again, you've got the Camaro script emblem with the SS badging on the front fenders. As I mentioned earlier, 396 badging here as well. Then we come up to the front end. Now again, this is the RS Hideaway headlight look up here. Again, that's in very nice condition. The grille, again, in good shape with the SS badging. You've got the chrome front bumper, and of course, down below, you've got that front air dam. If we come up top now, we're gonna see that we've got a steel 2-inch cowl induction hood here. Come back a little further here to our windshield wipers and blades, all in good shape. Again, the windshield's in good shape too, with all of our bright work and molding around the windshield. Again, in very good condition. Let's open up our hood now, and we'll get to talk about the driveline in this car. So with the hood open, you'll see first and foremost, the underside of the hood has the hood insulation all intact, all positioned the way it should be, and all buttoned up here with the fasteners that it should have. You'll see no pieces hanging down. It's not ripped or torn or anything, in excellent shape. As far as the motor goes, as I said, according to the block casting on this car, we've got a 427 cubic inch motor here. This does have the factory style air cleaner assembly on it. All your rubbers and seals that seal up around that cowl induction hood are all in excellent shape. Of course, you've got the black lid and the black air cleaner there. Underneath there, we've got a Holley carburetor, 4-barrel, dual feed carburetor. Underneath that, an aluminum Holley intake. Those are the snowflake heads that are on this car. Of course, you see the chrome valve covers there for the vehicle, just to kind of brighten things up on it. As far as the ignition system goes on this car, we do have an Accel distributor. It's a stock style ignition system though, stock style distributor, just an Accel. You've got this Accel box back here for the ignition control module, and then a blaster coil. As far as the plug wires, 8.5mm plug wires are to get the spark down to the plugs. Exhaust on this vehicle, stock cast exhaust manifolds on here. A lot of people elect to leave those on. They seem to seal up better. They seem to, you know, power everything too pretty good and get the exhaust out there a lot more efficiently as well. Dual exhaust on this car as well. You've got the power brakes, as I mentioned earlier. You see the booster back there. It was disc in the front and drums on the rear. You've got power steering as well. As far as cooling this big block, we do have an aluminum radiator up here. It's a B-Cool aluminum radiator. And if you notice down below, we've got the dual electric fans on this as well. Again, those electric fans are going to cool this car a lot more efficiently than, say, a water pump mounted fan. Plus, you don't have that fan on there to spin around and take up any extra horsepower. Not that that's a big concern with the 427 motor though. So again, behind this motor, as I mentioned, it's got that Richmond 5-speed manual transmission, and again the GM 12-bolt rear with the 410 gear POSI unit in there. So that's going to make this car, again, the look of this car, the color, motor, transmission combination, rear end, very desirable car right here, 69 Camaro. So again, as I always tell all you folks out there, wherever you're looking at this video and viewing this video at, if you're not on our website, definitely go check it out at hanksters.com. You're going to see upwards of 100 photos of this vehicle, as well as a video that you're watching right now. And then you're going to also get a full description on this vehicle in case there was anything that I did not touch on as we were doing our walk around of the video of the car. If you're interested in this vehicle, always keep in mind too, at the full retail price, being that this is a Hanksters certified car, you're going to get enclosed shipping on this car to anywhere within the 48 contiguous states. You're also going to receive our Hanksters 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. And again, if you have any questions regarding that and how all that works, definitely feel free to reach out to us by phone, text, or email. Our salesman would be glad to talk things over with you on this particular car and any other car that we have here in our inventory, and get you any information and help you out in any way, shape, or form that he can. With that said, that's pretty much our walk around of the 69 Camaro. Please reach out to us, give us a call. We'll be glad to hear from you.